party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. I know, you guys, I'm starting this video from way back here, but can we take in this hair? This is actually the first time on my channel I've actually received such a long wig to review. I feel blessed and impressed. Stick around for all the details. Today's hair sponsor is Allove Hair. I have installed a 34-inch straight transparent lace frontal wig. If you guys want good hair, this is where you go.
All hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my
So I did some work on this unit off camera. I did tint the lace with my tinting lace mousse. This lace is a transparent lace, so I did do ball cap, as you can see. It does kind of match my hairline, meaning like it comes out on the side here, as you can see.
I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it, yeah. All hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh,
Let's try this ebon glue today.
everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die.
I'm gonna do one more coat down the middle and then we'll kind of just go from there.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. You had to let me go, yellow.
So whatever hair I'm not working with, I'm gonna get that out of my way. Then I'm gonna cut some of the hair off and then finish the curl.
It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow. It hurts like yellow. You had to let me go, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow. It hurts like yellow. time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies, baby, stop telling me lies.
Some of the things that I did for this unit before we even got to this process where we installed her, I did bleach the knots on this wig, and I didn't think at the time that it really needed to be plucked. It looked pretty good. The hairline is I would say somewhat pre-plucked looking. When I put it on, I decided that no, we need to remove some hairs. So mainly where I found a lot of hair after the install was in this portion here. So I went in and I removed some of that, and I also straightened this wig off camera. When I got to the install portion, the hair was already straightened, so I literally just went in and just gave it a quick pass. But you guys, take in the luster of this hair. Now, I did not put any products on this hair, and this is why this is one of my favorite companies for straight hair. The hair is very healthy. Even on the ends, you guys, it is very healthy. Even though it is so long, the fact that it's not like super big and super puffy, it makes it more believable in a sense when it's not that thick. There was no bad smell to this unit when I got it, and when I washed it, it just literally smells like the shampoo that I put in. So this is a wig that you can literally wash and wear, and you're not gonna have any like wiggy hair smell. You guys know that smell, right? This wig didn't have that smell, and it doesn't have it now. I'm gonna give the softness and silkiness a 10 for me. I think it is a beautiful wig. Shout out to Allove hair, but their straight hair is where it's at. Like, do you see this? Now, I'm 5'9". If you guys are shorter, you probably touch your knees, but for me, this length is hitting. It's definitely gonna be hard for me to go shorter because I love long hair. The longer the better. I would say this wig is caviarkezzy approved. If you guys want to check Allove hair out, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. Definitely check out the description because there's always some goodies going on. And don't forget to leave your thoughts on today's install. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta run. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.